American Airlines is one of the biggest technology-driven companies in the world. But they're an airline. Are they really a technology-driven organization? They've adopted open source workflows, and they're taking the best learnings from people around the world and how everyone is collaborating and code together and applying that to themselves. So I'd like to invite Spencer Kaiser from American Airlines to come up on stage and talk a little bit about that. Spencer?
Hey everyone, my name is Spencer Kaiser, and I'm from the Emerging Tech Group at American Airlines. I'm here to talk about how American has been using GitHub Enterprise to do some really exciting things. Every year, American hosts an internal hackathon called Hack Wars. Our teams have 24 hours to experiment with the latest tech and code through the night to develop something that benefits our customers or our employees. Each year, we end up with a ton of amazing ideas, but we don't have the best track record for taking those ideas and turning them into production applications. Part of the problem is that after the event, we have repos scattered across multiple hosting solutions, and we don't have the best screenshots, documentation, or even descriptions for what our teams did. This year, with Hack Wars 5, we decided to fix that. With over 50 sponsors, 1,000 attendees, and 100 teams, it was critical that we capture as much information from the event in one consolidated location to make it as easy as possible to prevent any ideas from slipping through the cracks. We decided to make GitHub Enterprise a requirement for our teams and even factored their use of GitHub features into their score. The results are pretty amazing. We got over 500 new developers, designers, product owners, and project managers into GitHub Enterprise for the first time, and we were able to introduce them to the world of GitHub through issues, pull requests, and of course, good documentation through a solid README. What we were left with was a living, breathing artifact from the event. Teams filled their repos with architectural diagrams, screenshots, pitch videos, and even information about company impact, all of which gave us extra context into what they built and why they built it. This wealth of knowledge was so well organized that months after the event, our team was able to look back and figure out which projects had the best likelihood of doing something meaningful in production. We're already working through one application with a planned beta release in early 2019, and we have 2 more projects that we're looking at working with by the end of the year. After seeing how well our teams use GitHub Enterprise and seeing how well it was for us to, or how easy it was for us to collaborate and capitalize on the platform to make our ideas come to life, we decided to take it one step further and create a community for our developers to explore new ideas and basically just leverage the platform to do even more with GitHub Enterprise. And as of today, American has officially announced our inner source community. We're excited to join companies like Microsoft and Google in providing our companies, or our employees, with a place to explore new ideas, hack on new tech, and collaborate across organizational boundaries, all while getting support from their fellow coworkers and leveraging best practices. To make it as easy as possible to join the platform, we wanted to make sure we gave them one-stop shop to basically get any information about inner source, and what a better way to do this than using a GitHub Pages site. The portal is built on Jekyll, and it's hosted directly in GitHub Enterprise, so anyone with a GitHub Enterprise account can access the site. The site hosts information like our code of conduct, licensing, and even information about how to find a good first project. We hope that each inner source project will be a great place for our devs to get started, but we wanted to highlight specific projects that go above and beyond to basically leverage what the best of American is. We call these community projects. Not only should these projects have an active team, but they should also have a full CI/CD solution, good documentation, and solid test coverage, but they should also leverage the best of what GitHub has to offer. These projects should be a great place for our devs to get started, and we hope they'll learn new skills that they can take back to their own teams. We can't wait for our devs to get started later this year, and we're excited to see what they create. Needless to say, American loves GitHub and GitHub Enterprise, and we're excited to explore even more in 2019. Thank you, and enjoy your time at Universe. Back to you, Jason.